Hi, today I would like to show you how you can get paid to be an online friend to make $100 online really fast. This is the way I'm going to show you how easy it is to make $100 online without any problem. And it's unbelievable but true that you can earn money to be a friend as well. So how we're going to reveal in this video. I'm going to show you 3 websites which we can use to be a friend, a rented friend, and you can earn a decent amount of money every month. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this by just going to the first website that I want to show in this video. Is called rentafriend.com. Yes, this is rentafriend.com is a really good site to be a friend and earn a decent amount of online every month. So whether you are like to go somewhere, or whether you like to go to movies, whether you like to go to parties, whether you like to go to just take care of someone or pass some time, happy times, quality times, then this is really good way to rent a friend when people need those type of things. And many peoples are really living alone in this time, and this is the opportunity for some people's want to hire friend right now to pass their quality time. So this is what it's all about, and you can do that as well. So if you like people's meeting new peoples, if you like to enjoy your life, then this is also a good way to use, and you can earn a decent amount of money every month. So this is the friend.com is all about. It's if you just simply go to this website, and you can see that there are really many type of activities that people are asking. Anything you like, you can just go there and become a friend to someone who is asking for this, and you can earn a decent amount of money. But so simply you can just go to this website, and you can see that people are making money with this. So if you want to be a friend and want to earn from this website, you can just scroll down, and you can see that there is a very small text button link here, which is click here to become a friend and get paid. So this is the link. If you just click on that, it will open this page, which is get paid to be a friend, and you can see that you can earn up to $50 per hour, plus free meals, free concerts, and free sporting events, and many more gifts you can get from that doing that. So this is really awesome. You can see also they have a feature on Fox News as well. So this is really cool. But looking like right now they are just holding their recruitment right now, so their applications will be open now and then, and it will be better for you to check every now and then to see that if it's open or not. But this is a legit way to earn money online this space. So whether it's going to open or not, sooner or later you will have to check out sometimes. Right now their friends recruitment option is not available right now. So this is the first website. The second website that I want to show is called friendpc.com. Friendpc.com is also a really good way to become a virtual friend to someone and earn a decent amount of money every month. So if you just go over to friendpc.com, you can see that people everywhere need friends. And right now this is shocking, but people really feels alone around in this tech world, around this world and social world, and they want right now to hire someone to be at some place or somewhere or enjoy life. So this is why this site is all about. You just go to friendpc.com, and you can just go to this website and scroll down, and you can see that there is this discover sections where you can see that become a virtual friend. So you just click on that, it will load this page to become a virtual friend, and you can see that people's really going to earn money just by joining today. Just hit the blue button, join us today, and you are good to go to earn a decent amount of money. So you can just go to register and create your profile and subscribe to any friend package and accept request, and then after every 2 days you will going to get your payment and you can withdraw it without any problem. So this is all about it. Just simply work as a virtual friend. So it's a like virtual friend. You even don't even need to go to somewhere. You just simply online meet someone, meet new people, chat with them, or participate with something with them, and that's it. It's like virtual. You do not even need to go to somewhere to earn money online. So this is all about. The third website that I want to show is called Rent a Cyber Friend. Is rentacyberfriend.com is also a similar type of site, but it's a legit site that going to pay you to be a friend for someone, and it's all about online. So you just go there and you simply scroll down. You can read through the sites how it is. It's already online. So simply go down below and click on become a cyber friend, and it will show this page. This is the page where you just go there and you can join there and earn from anywhere in the world. You can see that this is a worldwide opportunity for you to be a friend for someone who needs really friend, who feels alone in this world, and you are helping them to enjoy the world and enjoy their quality time. So simply you just go there and submit this simple form, and you hit sign up, and you're good to go to become a virtual friend, and you can just be online. You don't even need to go to somewhere. This is the concept. You just open your smartphone or devices and you just install an app. They will going to chat with you, or celebrate something, or just talk about something that interest in, and simply pass their quality times, and you can just amuse them. You can just simply assure them that they are not alone or something like that, so they can get over from their frustration zone. So that in that process you are making a good amount of money. So you can see that you people are making like $50 per hour on this website. So simply this is the catch here. You can make $100 fast, really fast online, just by doing this type of things, and you are good to go to earn a decent amount of money every month. So this is it, guys. If you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.